Let me show you how to run never out of mint again by growing your own from store-bought. Before I show you 2 methods of growing mint, it's time to chop up some branches. Make sure every cutting is about 8 centimeters in length. You can also use the longer cuttings and cut them in half to grow even more plants. I usually remove the lower leaves of the cuttings. This helps when putting the cutting into soil or water. Your cuttings should look like this after removing the leaves. The first propagation method I want to show you is to transplant the fresh cutting directly into the soil. Make sure to put the cutting 2 to 3 centimeters into the soil. For the soil, I use soil with high organic matter to provide enough nutrients. Keep in mind to water the plants when the soil starts to get dry. If you'd like to grow mint outdoors, you could even just put the cuttings in your garden soil. The second method is to propagate the cuttings in water. Using tap water usually just works fine. Place the cuttings in the water so that the lowest leaves ideally do not touch the water. After some days, the mother plant already shows new growth, as you can see here. And the plants, which I planted directly into the soil, also show new leaves and growing roots. The mint plants we propagated in water already grew a ton of roots after about 2 weeks. So it's finally time to transplant them into soil. Planting these cuttings into soil is almost the same as we did in the first method. For this time, make sure to not damage the roots, since this can harm the plants. With these easy steps, you will soon never run out of mint again. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to follow for the next how-to.